Hi, myself Dr. Firdaus. Welcome back to my new channel, Next Gen Advanced Science. Today, I will go to show you a new practical that is regarding with sonic sensor. How sonic sensor it works and what are actually the applications of the sonic sensor that I will go to show you. Fine. This is simply sonic sensor and it has 4 pins. That is power supply VCC, ground, echo and trigger. It has two sensors. One is simply acts as a transmitter, another one that acts as a sensor, and this sonic sensor is directly connected with the UNO board. First we can apply the supply to make it operational, and finally we can use basically the trigger pin to the sonic sensor, in which local oscillator it can oscillate, it can generate it as sonic signals or simply sound signals at the range of 4 kilohertz. Because our ear, but we cannot listen to sound signals, sonic signals or sound signals, because our ears that is audible only to 20 to 2 kilohertz. Fine. So when the trigger signal will be applied to the sonic sensor, local oscillator it will oscillate, and finally it can generate the sonic signals, and it can work upon distance, which is speed into time, and can calculate basically the distance, how much far your obstacle is. This time it is functional, it is already activated, but it is not giving any kind of sound. Basically here the pin, the buzzer pin, that is disconnected so that it cannot beep. Fine. This is simply the program that is written here. I'm going to show you here. This is simply the threshold distance. So I'm giving here the distance that is of 50 centimeter. This program can be loaded directly with the help of this cable to the Arduino to make understand to the controller that it can work according to the program. Fine. When we can apply the threshold is already given to the here, and it can generate the echo signal. This echo signal is directly passed to the UNO, that is Arduino board, and this signal will be directly passed to the controller, and with the help of program we are going to make them understand. At the same time you can generate the signal pin, sound signal pin, or another pin that can be applied to the buzzer so that it can buzz simultaneously. Can buzz, that means when the obstacle it will come at the threshold of this sensor, automatically it can generate the echo pin to the controller, and controller can generate the output which can be passed to the buzzer pin, and buzzer it will beeps. Fine. I will show you. So threshold here it is given 50 centimeter only. Fine. Show this time it is not showing any kind of signal. I have connected it here. This is simply the threshold. For example, we can consider my hand that is the threshold. I can increase the threshold, it cannot work. It is 50 centimeter only. When I can down my hand, that is in the range of 50 centimeters, it can generate the echo signal. This echo signal will be directly passed to the controller. Fine. You see, continuously it can beep. That means obstacle is. What are actually the applications of the sound signal that I will tell you. So this sound signal can be used in different applications. First, blind persons. For example, if the blind persons are there, we can fix them within the stick. That will become as a controlling stick. When they can walk on the road, if some obstacle that can come in front of them, and finally it will generate a signal to make them understand there is some obstacle in front of you, you need to change your direction. Or else we can use the sensor into the vehicles where the parking is why is a very dense parking, where it is not possible that you can look behind or backside, or congestion problems is there, and with the help of the sensor we can avoid that confusion is. When the obstacle it will come on the backside, it can generate the sound signal, automatically gives the information to the controller. Carefully you can control your vehicle, some obstacle that is on your backside or front side. And in this way, where the different applications we can use the sound sensor. Thank you.